One of my favorite foods to enjoy during the fall and the summer is corn on the cob. This week, my mom helped me prepare and freeze 5 dozen cobs of corn. If you haven't done it before, I'll take you along to show you the process. It's not that hard to do, but it definitely helps to have more than one person to get the job done in a timely manner. Hi, my name is Jillian, and I love to help and inspire people to simplify their homes. However, today I'm excited to share one thing I've started doing in the fall so I can enjoy delicious sweet corn all throughout the year. So let's get into how you can make freezer corn. We first husked all the corn. The place where we picked up our corn had them already in bags by the dozen, so you could quickly pick up as many dozen as you need. At other places, you have to bag your own, which takes a little more time. The husking part is probably the most time consuming out of everything. So make sure to do it outside where it's okay to make a mess. We husked into our blue bins, and then I dumped all the husks into our yard waste bag. While we were husking, we had 2 big pots filled with water on the stove and got them up to boiling. Once everything was husked, we added the cobs to the boiling water for a few minutes until they turned a deeper yellow color. Then we took them out and transferred them to cold water in our sink so they would be easier to handle when cutting. We each had a big container that we could cut the kernels off the cob into. My mom liked to hold her bin in her lap and cut off the cob. It was definitely helpful to also cut outside as it was a little sticky and a bit messy. It was a beautiful day, so we didn't have too many bees bothering us, which was great. Once you've cut along the cob, you can break up any long strips with your hands. One of the best parts of doing this was being able to take bites off the cut cobs. I enjoyed many bites throughout the day. Once everything was cut, we brought our bins inside and got our medium Ziploc bags ready. We put 2.5 cups of corn in each bag. Make sure to let the bags cool a little before closing them. When they have cooled off, lie them flat on the counter so you can close them and so you can easily freeze them flat. Once frozen, if you'd like, you can transfer the bags into bins to store upright. It all depends on your freezer space and what works for your family. I love having sweet corn to add to meals as a side dish or add to dishes like chilies, soups, tacos or burritos, pile on, or any other favorite. One benefit of having my mom help me is she's always good about washing up as we go. Needless to say, my kitchen was cleaned up super duper fast because she was washing the pots and containers once we were done with them. So thank you, Mom. She also happened to notice that the shears in our front window looked as though they should be washed. So she suggested I put them through the washing machine. Does anyone else's moms like to suggest things like this when they're at your house? If you haven't tried freezer corn, I would definitely recommend it if you love it as much as I do. It is so much better than freezer corn you buy in the grocery store. We also usually like to make salsa in the fall, and it's so great to be able to enjoy that throughout the year too. Let me know in the comments below if you're someone who enjoys canning or freezing food to enjoy throughout the winter. I'd love to hear what you do. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.